The League of Legends down. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with the League of Legends right now. I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with League of Legends. So I already went to Riot Games to their status and they already said that we are aware of a problem with gifting Worlds 2022 related content and we are working on a fix. Also, if you scroll down, you will see in progress right here maintenance notification. So this was posted at this day on 12 October and they said that the game is currently unavailable until 12 October 2022 5 PDT. So this is the problem that is happening right now with League of Legends. You don't have to worry about it because they will fix this problem as soon as possible. This is just a maintenance downtime and you don't have to worry about it. So if you do have issues with League of Legends right now, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Also, you can comment, like I said, in the comment section down below, when will be the game back. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.